I mean, I think the words are fine. I'm
Yeah.
trying to think. Do we need some dead time before we start talking? Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm your host, Jimmy Ferrugia. In this episode, we're continuing our series on what you should know before buying your next vertical machining center. Today, we're going to talk about the different types of tool holders for your new CNC Vertical Machining Center. There are three to consider: CAT, BT, and HSK tool holders. In this episode, we'll break down each type and highlight the benefits, so let's go. First up, let's talk about CAT tooling. CAT tool holders are probably the most common tool holders you'll find, especially on a standard 2040 mill. CAT tool holders come in taper sizes ranging from a 30 to a 40 and all the way up to a 50. A standard CAT 30 tool holder can run up to 12,000 RPM, while balanced versions can handle up to 20,000 RPM. One other thing that is important to note is CAT tool holders need pull studs. They are very unique and vary depending on the machine manufacturers, so you can't mix these up. Now let's move to BT. BT tool holders were developed as an alternative to CAT holders and feature a symmetrical design, which improves balance and allows for higher RPMs. Just like CAT, BT holders come in taper sizes of 30, 40, and up to 50. The standard BT 30 can run up to 15,000 RPMs, and a balanced version can reach up an impressive 30,000 RPM. BT holders also have a slightly thicker flange, giving them more rigidity. And yes, BT also comes in dual contact versions. Like CAT holders, BT holders also require pull studs, which vary by manufacturer. Now for the high-speed champion, HSK tooling. HSK stands for hollow shank taper, and it's the standard when it comes to high-speed machining. HSK tool holders are known for their symmetrical body, giving them perfect balance for high-speed operations. They come in a wide range of taper sizes from 25 all the way up to 125. At the small end, HSK 25 tools can handle over 60,000 RPMs. But as the tool size increases, the maximum RPM decreases. For example, HSK 125 is maxed out at around 10,000 RPM. And trust me, you probably don't want to spin something that large that fast. One key advantage of HSK tooling is the shorter taper angle, making it more rigid than CAT or BT, and it's dual contact, always has been from day one. Plus, my personal favorite thing about HSK tooling is no need for pull studs. Makes life much simpler. What the fuck? Okay. That was weird. Okay,
you're good.
all right. And that wraps it up for today's episode. I hope you found this information helpful when you're considering your next vertical machining center. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@northsouthmachinery.com. And if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know. We'd be happy to cover it. Thank you for watching Tech Talk. See you next time.